Daily tips and final advice for seniors. If you're over 60 and dealing with joint stiffness, aching knees, or general inflammation, turmeric can be a safe, natural way to feel better, but only if you take it correctly. Try this simple daily recipe. Warm up a cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, and stir in half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a teaspoon of ghee or coconut oil. This golden milk not only tastes great but also helps your body absorb turmeric in the most effective way. Another easy option is turmeric tea. Simmer turmeric, black pepper, and ginger in water for a few minutes, then add a spoon of honey and a few drops of olive oil before drinking. These recipes are especially great before bedtime. They're soothing and anti-inflammatory. If you prefer supplements, look for ones that say with piperine or bioavailable, and always check with your doctor, especially if you're on medications for blood pressure, diabetes, or blood thinning. Remember, turmeric is not a quick fix. It works best when taken consistently over time, and always with the right foods. The good news is that with a few small adjustments, turmeric can become a powerful part of your daily routine. Don't just sprinkle it on your food and hope for the best. Give it the support it needs to do its job. Small changes in how you take turmeric could mean fewer aches, easier movement, and a better quality of life. So take care of your body, and let turmeric take care of you, one golden cup at a time. Why turmeric matters and what to avoid. Turmeric is more than just a colorful spice. It's a natural remedy that can help reduce joint pain, improve flexibility, and lower inflammation, especially for older adults. The magic lies in a compound called curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But there's one major issue: curcumin isn't easily absorbed by the body. Without the right food combinations, most of it just goes to waste. That's why it's so important to avoid certain mistakes when taking turmeric. For example, high-fiber meals, like bran flakes or raw vegetables, can make turmeric pass through your system too quickly, reducing its impact. Also, consuming turmeric with low-fat meals is a big no-no. Curcumin is fat-soluble, meaning it needs a bit of healthy fat to be absorbed properly. If you're taking turmeric with plain soup or water-based meals, you might be missing out on its real benefits. And here's something many people don't realize: caffeine and certain fruits like oranges or grapefruits can actually interfere with curcumin's absorption. These should be spaced out from your turmeric intake by at least 1 or 2 hours. So, if you want to get the most from turmeric, be sure to avoid these common food pairings. It's not just about taking it, it's about taking it right. Are you taking turmeric the right way? Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and for good reason. It's known for its powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and pain-relieving properties, making it especially beneficial for older adults who want natural support for their joints, muscles, and overall health. But here's something many people don't know: just taking turmeric isn't enough. If you're not consuming it the right way, your body might not absorb it at all, and that means you could be missing out on its amazing benefits. So, what makes turmeric work, or not work? The secret lies in how you take it, what you pair it with, and even what you eat alongside it. For seniors struggling with joint stiffness, leg pain, or limited mobility, this information is crucial. That's why in today's video, we're going to break down the right and wrong ways to consume turmeric. We'll talk about which foods enhance its effectiveness and which ones block its absorption. We'll also share simple tips to help you get the most out of every golden spoonful, whether you're drinking it as tea, mixing it into milk, or adding it to your meals. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make turmeric a powerful part of your daily routine, and how to avoid the common mistakes that keep it from working. So, if you or a loved one is over 60 and looking for natural ways to feel better, move easier, and stay healthier, don't miss this. Let's get started and unlock the full potential of turmeric together. The best food pairings for turmeric. To truly benefit from turmeric, pairing it with the right foods is essential, especially for older adults looking to ease pain, fight inflammation, or improve mobility. One of the best ingredients to pair with turmeric is black pepper. It contains a compound called piperine, which has been shown to increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Just a pinch of black pepper in your turmeric tea or golden milk can dramatically boost its effectiveness. Another important partner is healthy fat. Because curcumin is fat-soluble, it dissolves better in oil and is more easily absorbed by your body. Try adding turmeric to foods cooked with olive oil, coconut oil, ghee, or even blending it into a smoothie with avocado. Heat is another powerful helper. Cooking turmeric slightly in soups, stews, or tea unlocks more of its benefits. That's why warm turmeric milk or haldi did has been a staple in traditional remedies for generations. It's not just comforting, it's effective. On the other hand, raw turmeric powder in cold water or juice might not do much for you without heat, fat, or pepper. By combining turmeric with these three elements, black pepper, healthy fat, and gentle heat, you're giving your body the best chance to absorb and use curcumin properly. And for those using turmeric supplements, make sure they include piperine or say enhanced bioavailability on the label. These little combinations might seem simple, but they make a huge difference in how well turmeric works. When taken correctly, it can become a powerful ally in your health journey. Make turmeric work for you. Turmeric truly is one of nature's most powerful remedies, but only when it's used the right way. For older adults, especially those dealing with joint pain, inflammation, or mobility issues, understanding how to take turmeric properly can make all the difference. It's not enough to just sprinkle it on food or take a capsule and hope for results. You now know that pairing turmeric with black pepper, healthy fats, and even a bit of heat is the secret to unlocking its full benefits. Avoid combining it with high-fiber meals, low-fat foods, or acidic fruits like oranges right after taking it. These small adjustments can significantly improve how well your body absorbs curcumin, the active compound that makes turmeric so special. The best part? You don't need expensive supplements or complicated recipes. A simple cup of warm turmeric milk or soothing turmeric tea before bed can become part of your daily wellness routine. And with consistent use, you may begin to notice less stiffness, reduced swelling, and better movement. Just be patient, turmeric works gradually, not overnight. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your joints, boost your health, and feel more comfortable every day, turmeric is worth adding to your routine. Just remember, it's not about taking more turmeric, it's about taking it smartly. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on healthy living for seniors. Until next time, stay active, stay healthy, and take care of yourself, because you deserve to feel your best every single day. What topic you'd like us to cover next? We love hearing from you. Of course, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can never miss out on our latest health tips and insights. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.